Hello everyone from the Error Slayer YouTube channel. This tutorial video will show you how to uninstall plugins in DaVinci Resolve. I'm gonna uninstall the Magic Animate plugin as an example. First step, close DaVinci Resolve and make sure it's not running in the background. Then open your C drive. Open the users folder. Next, open the folder containing your PC username. There's something you need to pay attention to here. Click the View tab in the menu above. Then, make sure the Hidden Items box is checked. The AppData folder is now visible. Double-click it to open the AppData folder. Then open the Roaming folder. Find and open the Blackmagic Design folder. Also open the DaVinci Resolve folder. Open Support. Then, double-click the Fusion folder. Finally, open the Templates folder. In this folder, you will see the plugins you have installed. To uninstall a plugin, simply delete its file. When you reopen DaVinci Resolve and search for that plugin, you'll see that it has been removed. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to uninstall plugins in DaVinci Resolve has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.